So here we go, and today we'll learn about data types in Python. Okay, so
Okay.
data types, there are basically four data types in Python. One is integer, string, and character, and float. Okay, so these are the
Okay.
four data types in Python. So as we have learned yesterday, like we can do type conversion from one data type to another data type. Like for converting any string, like this kind of thing, 1 2 3 plus 3 4 5. Basically, what it will print? Can you tell me?
1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. It will print.
Correct. So you can see here, this will print something like this. So if I wanted
Mm.
to add this number, we just learned yesterday, we can simply convert this into an integer by
Yeah.
applying this syntax, adding a parenthesis like this way, isn't it? Now you can see
Yeah.
after changing my statement like this, here you can see the output has converted. And what this number has done, this keyword has converted this string data type into an integer. So you can easily say by this way, this is a kind of type conversion in Python. But will it convert everything? Like what do you think about this? Will it convert this
No, it can't.
ABC? No, it's not possible. So it will give you some
No.
error like this because it is not a valid thing to convert. Okay, it's not make any
Yeah.
sense like ABC plus 3 4 5. So we can't do like that. So here we can also
Yeah.
see for type conversion we have to know about the type of the data. So here you can see I'm just writing, for knowing the type of the data we have to write type and then something like this, ABC. And if you wanted to print this statement, we can also print. So here you can see for commenting I just used this one. ABC is a type of a string data type, isn't it?
Okay.
It has printed.
Yeah.
So what do you think about this print type? And this one I'm writing here 1.345. So what do you think about this?
Float. 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 Float.
This is a float data type. You can see here it's a float data type, isn't it?
Yeah.
And same with another. Here you can see C. So
String.
it is a string. Wait, it's a character actually. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, it's a character. But here it is printing string. Let me see. If you have to refer something, you can easily refer this documentation. I have already shared. So
Okay.
character data type in Python. Data types you can see here. Okay. Actually, the fourth one is I have written character. No, character is not a data type. Actually, Boolean it is. Okay, fine.
Okay.
It's a Boolean. These are the four data types: integer, a string, Boolean, and character. C is also considered as a string. Here inside Python, we don't. These are the four core, data types. So you can see here. I'm just writing. C is also considered inside an integer. True and false. Boolean operator,
Yeah. Yeah.
Boolean actually has two values, either true or false. So here you can see, if I'm writing true, it's printing Boolean. Okay. So these are basically four data types. Print 1.34. Here you can see this one. And if I will write this, print any single number which is an integer. So you can see here, I'm printing type. So here you can see I have written all the four data types of Python. Okay. A string, Boolean,
Yeah.
float, and integer. So these are the four data types.
Mm.
And you
Yeah.
can also do type conversion as what we have done like this. Like a 3 4 5 is written in a string, but we have converted it inside integer. So for converting any integer to a string, like it is an integer num is equal to 1 2 3. So if we wanted to convert this num as a string, so what we will do? We'll write str, and inside that we will write num. Okay, so here you can see this will print 1134, but it is not an integer, it is a string, because we have type, we have done type conversion here. Got it?
Yeah.
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 So we can add this num to any, no, this is a number. I'm just giving you example of this. Here you can see we
Okay.
can easily write like this. Okay, but if we will write like this way, not num, not that, it will give a error. Understood? Why
Yeah.
this error happens? You can see here, type error, unsupported operands, means integer can't be added to a string. Got this?
Yeah.
So here you learned about all the four data types. So now I'm giving you one example of, if we are writing something like this, uh, let's suppose winter. So you can see here, if you want to access the first letter of any string, so a string counting starts from 0. Okay, inside programming language you already know, array and a string, all the counting starts from 0. So 0 indicates w, means the first character of the string. Got it? So you can see here, 0 means w, 1 means I, and as like this way. Okay, so do you know about the negative indexes? What do you think that it will print? -1?
-1.
Actually, it will print the last letter. Okay, because
Okay.
-1, starting from -1, -2, -3 means starting from the last character. You can see
Okay.
in Python we refer negative number as a last, from starting to the last. -3 means -1, -2, -3 means T. Okay, got the idea?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just giving you one more assignment here, just a very basic thing. Whatever I have written here, from that you can easily do. Take an input in a string, then convert that
Okay.
input. Uh, you have to take input from the user. Okay, take an input
Okay.
inside a string, and then convert that number into an integer, and then print the length of that integer. Got it, my friend?
Okay.
So
Okay.
take input in a string format, and then uh, input should be an integer. Okay, input should be means it should be a string, but it should be something like this way. 1 2 3 4, it is a string, but it is representing an integer, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, then convert this uh, into an integer, and then print the length of the integer. Got it? So you have to
Okay.
do this by yourself first.
Okay.
Just pausing the, is my screen is visible?
Yes. Okay.
Wait, I'm just sharing.
Yeah.
Sharing my screen. I hope now screen my screen is now visible.
Yes. Yes.
So till now you understood what is types conversion, and how to write for loop and all. So now we'll learn about this thing, which is random, and we will learn about how to import modules. Okay. So as you have seen there, I'm just deleting all this. Yeah, recording has been started. So you can see import random.
Okay.
Okay, random is a module. Module, you can see it is a kind of built-in function inside Python. There is some code written there, and you can refer to the documentation. You will see how they are calculating. So if we'll see this, we can easily uh, print any random number, and we can give a range of the random numbers. Okay, so you can see random integer. Here I'm writing a variable, and it is random dot rand in, and here you have to give range 1 comma 10, 20 maybe it is, yeah. And I'm printing random integer. Fine. So here you can see one is printed. Every time new number will be printed. Okay.
Okay.
So this is for printing random number, and this is the range.
Mm.
So
Okay.
now I am writing. This is a module of Python. It is pre-written inside Python. So let's suppose
Okay.
I want to create my own module. Like when we are working on big project as module
Okay.
GenAI and as a agentic AI projects.
Yeah.
Here you can see this is test.py, and I'm creating a new module. Here new Python and writing it my module. Okay, this is a very
Okay.
basic module I'm creating, and this module I'm creating for uh, like my favorite number. Here I've written 10. Fine. So only one line is written inside my module, and I want to use this module inside test.py. So for that, what I have to do, I have to import my module. This module I have created, okay? And I want to print the thing that is written in this module. So here I am commenting all this first, and you can see I am printing print my module dot my favorite number. This way we can use. You can see here we have to use the dot operator, na random dot rand in.
Yeah.
So dot operator is actually uh, going in this module and finding this function which was written inside that, and that function.
How do we know in the model what all the functions we have it?
Good question. So here you can see first I am writing this program, running this program. You can see my favorite number is
Okay.
10. Okay, this is printed here. I haven't written
Okay.
10 anywhere inside this program, but 10 is printed. Actually, this is coming from this function.
Okay.
So for that,
Oh.
yeah, good question. How you will know about this? So for that, you have to just hover on site on this. Maybe you can see one option comes here to go to the documentation. See, you can also see like this way. I am writing random. I will write dot, here different things will come like sample, gauss, get state, normal, choices. Okay, so I will tell you that where choices type of thing will work. So just I'm writing another program. You know how to create a list in Python for creating like my bucket, and list is like this way: apple.
Yeah.
Okay, separating
Mhm.
from a comma, strawberry, comma, pineapple. So I've created a list, and inside that list there are three items, and this one is from on zeroth index, first index, then second index. So you can see if I will print my bucket something like this way, and I'm just commenting all this first. So you can see a strawberry is printed. Okay. So now I want to print any random from this list. Okay, so for that I will use this random operator. Here I have written random integer random dot ch choices. Here you can see there are lots of options now. So
Yeah.
these all are the function inside the random. As
Okay.
what there are lots of function like in generative AI there is LangChain, Llama index. So when you will write dot,
Yeah.
the automatic suggestion you will get.
So we need to know in the model what all the functions are also available.
Yeah,
What are the
exactly.
functionalities of
Exactly. You have to be a very clear idea about basics about this thing, that when we
okay.
can use what function, and you can easily do, or you can also refer to this documentation. Na? If
Mm.
you wanted to do something, you can take help of ChatGPT, and ChatGPT and other documentation will tell you that which module is better for this task. Okay, you don't need to
Mm.
remember all this like everything. I'm just telling you the concept and the way how we do, and the common thing you will
Okay.
remember by doing yourself, and which is not common, you can easily take help of internet and available resources. So
Okay.
here you can see I'm writing random choices, and and I will give here my bucket. Okay, so you can see I'm just commenting it also. See here, actually this is random integer storing, but I haven't printed it, so I have to print random, not integer. It is now random fruit, just to give a meaningful variable. So here you can see if I will write
Okay.
something wrong, you can see red line will come. Okay, so by that way you can see here random fruit, every time it will create some new pineapple,
Okay.
strawberry, isn't it coming up?
Yeah.
So understood how to use the module function, like
Yeah.
by using the dot operator. And also you can create, if you create some function inside this, like
Okay.
for creating function we use def function, def type of keywords, something like this way.
Okay.
I can show you. See, like this is a function to reverse the string. Okay, so
Okay.
you can define this type of thing inside your function, and you can use like import that file and write dot and reverse a string. Okay, so you will get that type of thing. So for reversing any a string, you can use this type of algorithm, which is reverse is a kind of string which is empty right now, and it is a for loop. For loop, you know how to run now. For ch in s means starting from zeroth index to the last, and reverse means adding reverse plus ch and
Okay.
return reverse. So got to know how to this work. Understood how this working?
Yes, Satya. Mm.
Fine. And any doubt till now?
Oh, how did you keep that? How it is calling from my module the 10 and the favorite number as 10?
Okay, fine. So see here, I've created a my module.py. Okay,
Mm.
my module.py, and I have written one line here only, and this is
Mm-hmm.
something inside this. So for using that thing, I have to import that file. Okay,
Um,
so this is what I am doing. I am importing first. Without importing, you can see if I will comment this line, and then
oh,
again I am running this code. See, if I will again run this code, like print my module, it will not come. Yeah, if it is coming also, it will throw me an error. You can see. Yeah, it automatically imported this, but it should not be
okay.
like this. Yeah, if I will delete this, see here is a red line. Okay,
Okay.
so if I will run it again, it will show me an error. So
Okay.
it's a kind of Python rule to import something and use something like this. For dot operator is used to import something which is written inside this module. Okay,
Okay.
as what we are using the pre-inbuilt, like random is an inbuilt function now, means created
Yeah.
by Python only. So we uses like random dot choices. So like what this way you can use to create your own module. This is the way whatever I
Okay.
am telling. Okay,
Okay.
and for better understanding, I don't think that is required, but compiler designing are the thing that is used to make possible this kind of things. Okay, like how the
Okay.
things work behind this compiler. We are here to know the stuff that how the things work. Okay, so this is what the agenda of learning. So here you can see. So first, up to now I have just tell you how to create a list, how to use modules. So your task is to create a take use of this random operator and create a head and tail type of application. Like every time you have to be different output like head or tail. So just go and write it
Okay.
down because it will help you to make clear with your syntaxes and hands-on part. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm pausing my video here and you can start. So here you can see this is the names, which is a type of list, and we can see here this is the size of the list, and if you wanted to know the length, we can use the len operator to know the
But
length of
last
the
time when I
list.
used the length using the print len and then that thing, it did not show up, right?
Actually, you have printed it for integer. Okay,
Okay.
len will not work for integer. It will
Oh,
work for a string or list. Okay,
okay.
so these are the properties of len operator. We only use with the distinct thing that for which it is defined. So here you can
Okay.
see in Python we can mix the data type, like it is an integer type and it is a string data type. It is a string data type, but both can be putted inside the same list like names. And here you can see the output is. But in Java and C++, there are predefined array like integer array or character array. So all the things should be of same data type in C++ and Java. But here you get some accessibility of this kind of thing. So if we
Okay.
wanted to append something inside our list, like name, so for that we can use names.append. So I will write print names after this line, and you can easily see that before this and after this what are the differences. So here you can see before this 7, 9 and 6, and here you can see Rahul is appended. Okay. So for
Okay.
appending something inside a list, append operator, and again this is a module. Append is a module. Okay. So it is pre-inbuilt, so I've just written it is because
But we did
name,
not import any module, right?
yeah, it is list now, so for list it is not need to be imported.
Okay.
It is a kind of list, it is a kind of list now. So for list type of operators you can easily use any, like you can see here, if I will write dot, here are these are the functions inside this list operator, list module.
Okay.
Okay, like append, remove, index, count, sort, clear, copy, extend,
Okay.
insert. So pop anything, so you can easily write pop, and what you have to pop, the last one it will be popped. You can see Rahul is popped again.
Okay.
No, 7 is, because we have removed the line of Rahul, so 9 has been popped. Popped means removing the last one. Okay. So you
Okay.
can easily see name is a list. Name is not a module. Name is a list
Yeah,
because
name
we
is a
have,
list. Yeah.
yeah. So all the things which you are seeing here is of list operator, list module. Like
Okay.
reversing a list. If you'll use reverse, you can see all the things has been reversed. Fine it is. 9, 7.
Okay.
Okay. So understood how to utilize these kind of things inside a module?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So all the things you can see here by checking this. Name dot, so these are the properties, like
Mm.
that way uh, for removing any specific value inside the list, we have to write this, like remove and the name. And then again if you print names, you can see Ria has been removed from the input output. Okay.
Okay.
And here you can see this is called as dictionary. For creating a dictionary we have to write something like this, curly
In flower
braces.
brackets.
Yeah,
Yeah.
curly
Mhm.
braces, that is a part of list, and that is a part of this is a part of dictionary. So here you can see
Mhm.
in dictionary there is a specific type of format in which we enter the data. Here you can see only double quoted comma, double quoted comma, all the things has been
Okay.
implemented. Inside this you can also create one more list with this type of thing, and then again you can write um, human, animal. Okay, so this will
Okay.
also you can see, isn't it?
Mhm.
Fine it is. So this is list inside a list. Okay,
Okay.
like that
Mhm.
way it is a dictionary. Dictionary,
Okay.
it has some definite architecture. It is called as key value pair. Name has a key,
Oh,
name is key and its value is Keshav. Age is a key and its value is 38. And course is a key and its value is Python. Okay. So you can see here is also mixed type of data type. Name is a string, age is a string, 38 is integer.
okay.
Okay. So we can easily see. And if you wanted to see, like print student. So first I'm commenting this to so that no any. Here you can see dictionary has been printed. Like same way, you can also create sub dictionary inside a dictionary. Student. You just know about how to write the syntax.
Okay.
Uh, Prati. Yeah. Maybe there is some. Here you will see this kind of thing. Expected what they are saying. Okay. It will throw an error. What they're saying syntax error expected after dictionary key.
Okay.
So here first you can see here. Yeah. Yeah, so for this, if we wanted to create a sub dictionary inside this dictionary, student, and then I think this is the right way, but maybe it's not. So
It's throwing error.
yeah, it's showing error. So, let me see that if it is creating dictionary inside a dictionary. It's a good, not a valid syntax. Here you can see in a dictionary every item must be key value pair and like student and Pratik it is student. No, actually, next dictionary. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. This one. Here you can see student, teacher Keshav, course Python. And again, if I create like something like this way we have to create. Yeah, this is what we are missing here. If we wanted to create one more, dictionary
Okay.
inside one dictionary, we have to follow this. A student
Okay.
is a kind of dictionary. Here you can see key value pair, teacher Keshav, course Python. And if you wanted to create a sub dictionary inside this, so you can
Okay.
see student, and here we have to use this colon method, and then again we have to create. So
Okay.
this is different dictionary inside this dictionary. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
I was writing here wrong. So you can easily
Okay.
take help of ChatGPT and all the things. It will correct you. Okay. In any case of if you
Okay.
are feeling something. So here you can see, yeah, dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay.
Okay.
So today we have learned about this. So I'm not moving deeper today. Till now, we
Okay.
are winding our class from here only. Okay.
Okay.